How you going, guys? Got a really quick video today on how you can just change your home screen icons or rearrange them so that you've got the ones that you want as your main 9 here. So this is just going to be the 9 apps that you use the most, basically, is what you're going to want there. So if I go into the app library with this button on the right, as you can see, this is every app that comes with the unit. You can download more and it will just create more pages if you get past here. But basically, if we go back to the home screen, you might not like what's originally on there at the start. So all you need to do is, if you want to replace one with something else, just hold down on the screen, on the app that you want to get rid of. And then you can see this menu pop up on the left with your other apps. You can just tap it and it will appear in its place. So super easy, guys. Let us know if you have any other questions regarding anything with home screen customization, and we'll be able to help you out. Cheers.